Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this video, I will show you how to change the home page in Google Chrome browser, same as other browsers. It displays a default home page which includes quick access to recently visited websites and a Google search bar. We can change this home page with specifying URL of other websites. To change the default home page, select the menu button located in the top right corner of the window. It displays as 3 stock dots. From the drop-down menu, please select Settings and come to On Startup. Select to open a specific page or set of pages and click on Add a new page. Here we need to enter the URL you want to appear when we open Chrome and click on Add. Close the Chrome browser. Again open it and automatically it will direct to the Google website when we relaunch this. And if you want to open multiple pages when Chrome starts, again come to Settings, On Startup. Before this, I want to open a web page in another tab. After that, come to Settings. This time I want to select Use Current Pages so that it will insert the URLs of currently opened web pages. Again close the browser and relaunch it. And notice that it automatically opened Google and Facebook. After this, we can also set a web page to the home button in the browser. Normally, home button looks like a house which is located in the top left corner of the browser window beside the refresh button. Here it is not showing that. Come to Settings. Let's enable the home button. After this, select the option beside Enter custom web address and type a URL into the text box so that Chrome will open the web page of our choice when we press the home button. After changing our home page, we can continue using Chrome normally since changes are saved automatically. Let's check it. Come to Facebook. Let's click on home page. Automatically it will go to the google.com. And after this, if you want to remove the web pages on the startup, come to Settings. Navigate to On Startup. Here simply click on 3 dots, that is More Actions, and select to Remove option and follow the same procedure for other web pages, or simply click on Open the new tab page so that it will come to default Chrome web page. Let's check it. Like this, we can change the home page in Google Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.